Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change Konami email in eFootball. Let's start. First, open a browser on your mobile. Search Konami login and click Konami official website. Now login your Konami ID, connect eFootball. After login, then click menu. Now click personal information. Scroll down and click email address. Send verification code on your email. Then click submit. Now check your email and enter the verification code. Next, enter the new email address and click next. Now enter the verification code. That's it. Your Konami email changed successfully. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.